Hello traders, Zigzag Man here, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-month daily chart for EGTK, Energtech Incorporated. It's a pink sheet, current information. As of the close on Wednesday, the 25th of January 2012, it was up 9% and volume was about 169,000 shares. Now the first thing I notice is 169,000 isn't bad volume, but this is good volume compared to this. Okay, so you can see how volume was really light here and then it just kind of took off. So that's great. That's exactly what you want to see. Now, for 2 months, it traded under the dotted green line and the red line, which is the 20. It's the middle Bollinger Band, so it's a 20 moving average, and the red line is the 15 moving average. So it traded basically below the middle Bollinger Band throughout all of this. That was an open up there that closed down. That was a open down here that closed up, but basically not until this area right here did it start to stay above the 15 moving average. The 5 moving average crossed up through the 15, stayed above it. The price is basically, for the most part, above the 5 moving average and pushing the upper Bollinger Band up. So as far as the upper Bollinger Band becoming resistance, it's already kind of not doing that anymore. Okay, now the CCI is also in a very nice uptrend, and so was stochastics, which at this point in time is the fast and slow line are both reading just about 97.98. So that's getting a little hairy here, but you know, look since here it's been overbought for like 5 or 6 sessions. So when a stock is in a serious uptrend, overbought doesn't mean anything. Okay. Now on the MACD, this was the big day right back here where you got the fast line crossing up through the slow line and the histogram going from pink negative to blue positive. And ever since that day, the fast line is on top of the red slow line. When they both crossed up through the 0 line and the histogram took a nice hit, that was the day it took off. Whenever you see the fast line crossing up through 0, that's usually very bullish. So, you know, basically I want to see it hold support at least at the middle Bollinger Band 15 moving average area. Now, that would still show strength. If it ever starts closing below the dotted green line, that's usually a fairly bearish signal. But right now, on these 3 indicators, and especially volume, that makes 4, the moving averages make 5, you know, this is bullish. It's breaking out of resistance right now. This was the old resistance level back in here. As you can see, for the last 3 sessions, it's above it. So, you know, it closed here. That was big, closing above, you know, 10 cents. Now it's at 12. So there's really no resistance level. It's in blue sky territory after breaking above this red resistance line, and there's no telling really how high it could go. Unless you go back to a yearly chart, you might find some resistance back there, but you know, a 3-month chart, that's enough for me. So looking very bullish on the CCI, stochastics, and MACD. Now let's take a look at the money indicators, and they are at the top here: on balance volume, accumulation distribution, and Chaikin money flow. Now right here after the about the first week of 2012, that's when he started closing above the middle Bollinger Band and staying above it. Okay, now on balance volume, accumulation, they were pretty much flat, and you know, money flow was pretty bad. So, but look at the uptrend here. Okay, we've got, you know, at the highs, this is 3-month highs. So is this on accumulation and Money flow did a nice uptick, and then it took a really sharp one right here. So that, that's because of the volume. So it all looks good. Everything on this chart looks bullish. Breaking above resistance with volume, staying above the middle Bollinger Band 15 moving average, the 5 above the 15. Nice, lots of white candles. Overall, this chart is about an 8 out of 10 bull over bear in my opinion. Now, as long as it stays above the middle Bollinger Band, I will remain bullish on this stock. I love it when volume comes in. It breaks above old resistance it had like 4, 5, 6, 7 times right in here, and just starts taking off. Big volume coming in. That's exactly what you want to see. Big volume on the breakout, especially big volume on the days it breaks above resistance. So very bullish. I've done some DD on this company. It looks like it's the real deal. So keep an eye on EGTK this week and next. Might be a good one to play. Unfortunately, we're not too late to this party. That's the big thing. It's only, broken out of resistance for 3 days. It could run, it could run some more. But basically, as far as support goes, if it ever broke below 9 cents, I would seriously think that this chart was turning a little bit to the bearish. So it's got to keep above the middle Bollinger Band 15 moving average, and this support it's had 3 times at 0.0901, let's say. Anything under this green dotted line might be looked at as bearish. So I want to wish you all good luck and happy trading.